CNC PCB Router 6090. Item specifics. Brand name of tech. CNC or not CNC. Condition new. Model number, AKG 6090 Mini CNC PCB Router. Model Mini CNC PCB Router 6090. Spindle, 1.5 kW water cooling spindle. Driving system, lead shine driver and step promoter. Control system, CNC Studio, Mickey working speed, 8000 mm per minute. Working area: 600 x 900 150 mm. Table surface T-slot table. Transmission TBI ball screw transmission. Rails round rails, linear rails. Structure cast iron structure. Cheap portable mini CNC PCB Router 6090 for 3D wood carving machine AKG 6090 Mini 3D CNC Router. Basic configuration of Mini CNC PCB Router. Number 1.5 kW Chinese water-cooled spindle. Folding inverter. T-slot table with PVC sheet. XYZ axis Taiwan TBI ball screw transmission. Chinese round rails. Lead shine step promoter and driver. CNC Studio control system. ARCOM software. Independent control box. Automatic tool sensor. Standard tool box, user manual, call it, tool bits, tool holder, U-disc, software etc. Optional 1. Change to 20 mm linear guide rails and Mach 3 control system. Optional 2. Change to 20 mm linear guide rails and Mach 3 to 4-axis controller, add 4-axis rotary. Rotary axis dimension, 80 mm diameter, 600 mm length. Technical parameters of Mini CNC PCB Router. Description. Parameter. X, Y working area. 600-900 mm. Z working area. 150 mm. Table size. 741,440 mm. Resolution. 0.01 mm. Lathe structure. Cast iron structure. X, Y structure. Taiwan TBI ball screw transmission, round or linear guide rails. Z structure. Taiwan TBI ball screw transmission, round or linear guide rails. Max. Travel speed. 0 to 16,000 mm per minute. Max. Working speed. 0 to 8,000 mm per minute. Spindle speed. 0 to 4,000 R per minute, variable speed. Spindle mode. 1.5 kW, water-cooled spindle. Drive system. Step promoter. Control system. CNC Studio or Mach 3 controller. Command. G-code, HPGL, UOO, G, PLT. Software included. ARCOM and Type 3 software. Diameter of cutter. ERS 16, 3.175 to 6 mm. Cooling mode. Water cooling. Inverter. Folding inverter. Work table. T-slot table by clamp. Optional parts. 4-axis rotary, dust collector, oil lubrication. Net weight. 330 kg. Thanks for watching. More details check in the description.